All right, well, I got one of the Pete's all cleaned up. We'll do a walk around on her. Got my green lights in there shining on the back. Here. Got my full lights across the top. Turn the lights off, turn the barn lights on, let you see how shiny she is. Alright, here she is. She's all spiffed up. Wheels buff, paint, wax, tank buffed. Ain't bad for a 1997. She's got her clear LEDs all around her. Except for we just put these right here on. I got to get clear bulbs for that. Very shiny. 1.5 million miles. She's got a rebuilt motor in her. 500 cat, but it's a good looking farm truck. Other than the bumper, it had a brand new bumper on it, and it had chicken lights on the clear lights on each corner. The guy that was hauling corn out of the field for us ran in a little ditch, bent it up, so we got to get a new bumper for her eventually. But I got these new lights, and they'll go back. They go on the bumper like this, stick out, and the red lights the wheel up, and the yellow's out front, so she'll be all right when we get her done. All right, we're welding the chisel plow back up. My brother is. Big Lou tore it up, and we have to fix it like normal. But it was our fault, I'm sure. Broke that brace. My brother's a very good welder. When he can get the thing working. Yeah. That's perfect work right there. Do you have anything to say to your fans?
Stay tuned.
I'm doing a little chisel plowing today. Working on a small field. I got all that to do yet. So good dark soil around here. Got all that done. I just did start. So we'll be all day doing that. Talking about us getting some rain or something, so trying to get as much done as I can. This is the farm that they're putting sludge on, so I'm trying to get it knocked out, what they've gotten done anyway. That way it can start airing out and everything. It seems like it dries better when you chisel plow than it does when you disc it. So once it, if it rains, so that's what today's work is. Old chisel plow.
In the last 10 years because some people didn't fill out their census.
That money could have funded schools, medical services, and job creation.
Every person in the U.S. is counted every 10 years.
It's the census.
Chisel plowing.
As the
Well, I'm out here chisel plowing this morning. I took off early yesterday. Miss Eastern Shore Farmer wanted to hang out, so I spent some more time with her. And now I got up early so I can get this done before the rain comes. I think they're calling for a lot of rain too. Alright, I just got to another farm. I got the one farm done that I called up to the sludge guys, so now I'm on the Poe Landing farm. I don't have a half of this to do that we put manure on, and then they're coming over to put sludge on the other half, so that's what it is before we get all this rain, trying to get caught up a little bit. And then I'll be caught up until they start rolling again. I want to get this stuff done and get my corn planted over here. Seems like the weather never wants to cooperate. So I can finish up corn. We'll see. Well, it's raining. Corn is coming up pretty. That's the only picture you guys are going to get because I'm not getting wet. But we missed a lot of the big storm today. We had, I think it was 2 storms. It looked like one was coming up from the south and one was coming across from the northwest. And a lot of it kind of just went and like went around us. I think it's going to get more north. We're just going to catch the tail end of stuff. They were calling for like 3 inches before, and now I think we'll be lucky if we get a half an inch. So, and then it's supposed to be in the 70s. So it's actually going to get that corn up real good. So I'm very happy all the corn's up. We got one farm and a couple little fields that I planted. You saw in the last video, they were the last ones that I planted. And I went and dug them. They're right, getting ready to poke through. So, like I said, I've been chisel plowing across town to other farms. We're going to put corn on. Got to wait for them to come finish the sludge and start working it up. And hopefully I'll be planting corn again soon, because then I want to turn around and we're thinking about taking out some wheat acres and that didn't really grow too well and putting some early beans in. So that'll be something to see. Plant to plenish beans. So, all right. Well, if you liked the video, subscribe, hit the like button. Seems like I can't get any subscribers, which that's fine. I do it for myself, but it would be neat to, see the numbers go up. You wonder how all these other channels keep getting all these subscribers. I know they're all, a lot of them know each other and work with each other to get subscribers. It's just me here, so. But, I don't know. Anyway, have a good weekend, everybody.